So these are the Boult X1 earphones, and a lot of you have been requesting me for a review. So I got these for rupees 384, and you can get these for as low as rupees 349 and as high as rupees 449 depending upon discount. So a lot of variation going on in the price. The earphones are made completely out of plastic, but they have this kind of a metallic finish to it. So I ordered this red color, and it is a combination of black and dark silver, and of course you get the wire in red colors. Apart from that, the left hand markings are there on each earpiece, and also these markings are available on the ear fins on the inside, so that there isn't any confusion which one is of which side. The medium sized earphones came attached with the earphone and they didn't fit me properly, so I took them off. And once I took them off, I noticed that you can't use these earphones without earphones. I mean, you can use them, but without earphones the earphones look too ugly. The groove provided for those earphones is too deep, and the earphones just don't look good. So I already have now the three sizes of earphones, so I'll go with the smallest size, and this time they fit me very well. So I'm going with the smallest size earphones and medium sized earbuds. And I always say in my videos that you have to always use earbuds and earphones of appropriate size so that you feel comfortable. As you will move down from the earpiece, you will find that the cable provided here is a rounded cable, and it's made of a material called Kevlar. Now Kevlar is a synthetic fiber that has good strength and heat resistant properties. Apart from that, you won't find any microphone in any of left or the right earpiece. Instead, the microphone is provided right at the joint from where cable is dividing into left and right. Apart from that, there is also a microphone along with a single button. Now this button is actually very hard to press. I will not say too hard, but it's actually hard to press than the normal buttons that you find on any other earphone, and also it makes a lot of sound when you actually press it. Then as you move down further, the cable gets more thick, and I believe that the quality of cable is nice and it would be really durable. And then at the end you will find 3.5mm cold plated jack. If I talk about the technical specifications, then Boult has a lot of things to say about these earphones. Like, first of all, the drivers are made from aluminum. They have built-in micro subwoofers. They will give you 3D surround sound audio, immersive sound, and also they are claiming these to be IPX5 water resistant, but nowhere in the description they have mentioned about the driver size. I checked the description on Amazon, Flipkart, and also on their official website, but nowhere they have mentioned the driver size. So if you find the driver size, do let us know in the comment section below. I also have one more earphones from Boult Audio, which is these Boult Loop earphones. So don't forget to check out my review. I'll link that in the description below. And very soon I'll be doing a comparison between these Boult X1 and Boult Loop. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. And now let's move on with the quality of microphone and the overall audio quality. If I talk about the quality of microphone, so this is the audio quality that you would be getting, and I'm recording this audio directly in this smartphone. So many of you want to use earphone for recording purposes, so make sure that you always keep the microphone close to your mouth, and this is the kind of audio that you would be getting when your microphone is around 1 feet away from the mouth. Apart from that, I'm recording everything in indoor conditions. The fan in my room is off, and also all doors and windows are off, so that there isn't any kind of noise in the room. I hope you like the audio quality. Do let me know in the comment section below. So now let's talk about the audio quality, but before that I want to talk about this warranty card that came along with this box. So I scanned this QR code which is there on this card, and it was supposed to take me to a warranty page, but unfortunately this QR code is not working. I tried this a couple of times, it didn't work at all. So there is also a URL given on this card which says boultaudio.com/ext.warranty, and unfortunately this URL link for warranty is also not working. So just in case you buy these earphones and you have some problems or queries or complaints, so you have to email them at complaints@boultaudio.com, and there is also an Indian mobile number mentioned on this card. I'll link all this information in the description below. One thing I would like to say about Boult Audio is that this company makes some excellent earphones, very good affordable earphones for the price, and this is a pure Chinese product, and these earphones are being imported in India and then sold on Amazon and Flipkart. Boult Audio has also launched its truly wireless earbuds in India, which I think cost around 1500 and 2000 rupees depending upon the variant you choose. And these kind of things like warranty URL not working, the QR code not working, all these things give some amount of negative impact about the product and also about their after sales service. So I want to say that if you choose to buy their expensive variants, just buy them at your own risk, because I can't say anything about the warranty. Yeah, but if you want to buy their budget friendly earphones like these one for 500 rupees. So even if they stop working, I don't think they are going to make big hole in your pocket. So keep all these things in mind. If I talk about the audio quality, so first of all, there isn't any kind of major complaints at this price point, and the earphones are like very decent sounding earphones. They are very loud. I don't have any complaints with loudness. The bass is very good but not over amplified, and they also maintain good balance between bass, vocals and your mid frequencies. I heard vocals correctly, good for music, good for watching movies, very general kind of sound. I would not say these earphones are average, but these are slightly above average in terms of audio quality, but not at par with the good brands like Sony or JBL. I also have these Boult 2 earphones. When I bought these and reviewed these, I said that these earphones are not good for playing PUBG because the bass is very high in these earphones, and you won't be able to hear vocals correctly, and also I was having some problem listening to footsteps. But yeah, when I tried these earphones while playing PUBG, each and every sound was crystal clear, the vocals were quite audible, and also I was able to make out differences of footsteps coming from different direction. So although both these products are in the same price segment, but there's quite a lot of difference in the overall audio quality, so I'll definitely make a comparison video between both of these. One thing I mentioned in the beginning of the video is about this button on the microphone. So this is the kind of sound it produces when you actually click this button, and it's quite hard to press. So just keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.